Okay, this is 2 air filters in 2 minutes. The first up, the interior cabin air filter. And there's the part number. I'll put the link, of course, down in the description. And on the back, there's instructions, but I'm going to show you how to put it in, so let's do it. All right, first thing, of course, you have to do is get the filter out of the box and get the plastic right off of there. And on the side, it's going to have some arrows telling you which direction to put the filter in. Okay, so you open your glove box now, get everything out of there, and push in on the sides. There's two pieces of plastic or knobs that stick out that hold it in there. You push those in, and that allows you access to your cabin air filter. You push the two buttons on the side, slide it out, and now you can get the new one ready. And again, there's arrows on the side that match up with the arrows on the filter. Get rid of the old one. Let's put the clean one in and put it back in. Now just reverse the steps from before, close everything back up, and let's go to the engine air filter, extra guard rigid panel air filter. It says it delivers outstanding protection. There's instructions again on the back, but I'm going to show you how to put it in right now, so let's do it. Okay, first thing first, pop the hood, locate where the air filter is. It's underneath this plastic thing. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 metal clips. You just pop down 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then lift this piece straight up and kind of toward you. And you can see there's really nothing else holding on there. It's just slides right in there. And let's get that old filter out of there. Okay, so looking at the front or top, it doesn't look too bad. When I flip it over, you'll see, oh my God, it's really dirty. So let's get rid of that old one and get the new one in there. You just reverse the steps again, just like before. Pop it right in there. Put the plastic piece back on, connecting the two tubes there. Pop the clips back on. And you are done. And if you want, like me, after you're done with that, you can clean your engine. I'm going to have another video showing that. But I said this was going to be a 2-minute video, and 2 minutes are up.